And everybody check out Paul's beautiful Oldsmobile. Yeah, we got the mirror done. Beautiful Oldsmobile 4-door. Spectacular. Spectacular. Wow. What a dream. Oldsmobile 88.
Something is coming from here and watch.
Oh, from the road draft tube? Yeah, that's normal.
But look at how dirty and scummy and gross.
Yes.
And it goes and goes and goes.
Well, that's a road draft tube.
Right, but
And blow by comes out of the road draft tube.
Okay.
So that makes sense, but this is a little excessive.
okay.
But yes.
And it's
Yeah, it doesn't rust because it's got road draft tube
that's
goop.
how CD was. CD was all lubed up, which is great, but
All lubed up.
doesn't it seem a little excessive though?
You love her luber.
Look, come up here.
It's a little messy, but how many years has this been like this? Eternity?
Yeah.
It's good.
I just want it all clean, but I guess this does preserve some vehicles.
It does preserve it a little bit. I mean, it's not dripping.
No. But I did see.
Whew.
It was $40 extra. It was like 100 before. Yeah. And there was like
Wow.
And this is the lifestyle magazine for join the Rocks. Everything. What do you like? So, and then it was really funny. Of course, you go skiing at Sunday. Obviously.
Wow.
Oh, and then do you remember?
Jetaway Hydromatic Drive.
That was like in 2018. He had a stage and he had mannequin.
Ooh.
And what
Parties.
to serve.
Look at that.
But apparently he found the co-op.
What sports you should be playing?
Because he was originally in California.
Wow, I don't even know what that is.
Tips on home decorating.
Also owns a passport.
Wow.
Oh, transport.
Look at that. Oh, thank you. I don't know where old girl went. This is
People
incredible.
made it for several years, quite a few years in the 60s. Like fighting games.